Under Australian family law, pre-nuptial agreements are commonly referred to as prenups, binding financial agreements, or BFAs. They are private agreements stipulating in advance how the assets and liabilities of a couple will be split up if their relationship breaks down. These types of agreements can be entered into before, during, or after the relationship, whether it is a formal marriage or a de facto relationship. But there are strict requirements that apply to all prenuptial agreements, and you need to get them right, because any such agreement can be overturned by the family court if it's not absolutely watertight. Firstly, and perhaps most importantly, to make a binding financial agreement truly binding, both parties must be absolutely honest and upfront about all of their financial circumstances. Each party needs to make full disclosure by providing full and correct details concerning the whereabouts and true value of the assets, liabilities, superannuation entitlements, and other financial resources. The parties must enter into the agreement freely and without any undue influence or pressure, and each should obtain their own independent legal advice regarding its terms. The Family Law Act sets out various provisions regarding prenuptial agreements, and any agreement concluded must comply strictly with the legislation in order to be binding on the parties. If the agreement's not properly done and the law of affair ends in a bust up, there is every chance the family court will take a long, close look at precisely what each of the parties knew and didn't know before they signed up to the agreement, and how much was disclosed and what was concealed. Provided the parties received proper legal advice in the first place, they were both fully informed of their respective rights and liabilities from the start, and they followed their advice and made full disclosure of all of their interests, a prenuptial agreement will provide a very useful and cost-effective blueprint for the distribution of property, not only providing a welcome level of certainty, but hopefully saving everyone a lot of financial and emotional costs in ongoing litigation. In short, provided it's done right, a prenuptial agreement is legally binding and can be a very good thing.